Welcome back, students. Let's continue the previous session. Now let's understand the definition of a zero matrix. A matrix in which each entry is zero is called a zero matrix, denoted by 0. For example, here we have a 2 by 2 zero matrix. In this matrix, all the entries are 0. Therefore, it is a 2 by 2 zero matrix. Now let's understand the definition of diagonal elements of a square matrix. The diagonal elements of the square matrix are those elements where the row and column index are the same. For example, here we have a 2 by 2 square matrix A. In this matrix, the diagonal elements are A sub 1 1 and A sub 2 2. Similarly, in a 3 by 3 square matrix A, the diagonal elements are A sub 1 1, A sub 2 2 and A sub 3 3. Now let's understand the definition of a diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a diagonal matrix if A sub ij equals to 0 for I not equal to j. For example, here we have a 2 by 2 square matrix A. In this matrix, the entry A sub 1 2 is equal to 0 and the entry A sub 2 1 is also equal to 0. Therefore, matrix A satisfies the definition of a diagonal matrix. Hence, matrix A is a 2 by 2 diagonal matrix. Now let's understand the definition of an identity matrix. A scalar matrix A of order n is said to be an identity matrix if each entry on its diagonal equal to 1. This matrix is denoted by letter I with a subscript n. For example, here we have the matrix I2. In this matrix, the entries A sub 1 1 and A sub 2 2 are equal to 1 and the entries A sub 1 2 and A sub 2 1 are equal to 0. Therefore, matrix I2 is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. Similarly, in matrix I3, the entries A sub 1 1, A sub 2 2 and A sub 3 3 are equal to 1 and the remaining entries are equal to 0. Therefore, matrix I3 is a 3 by 3 identity matrix. Let's understand the definition of transpose of a matrix. If A is an m by n matrix, then the transpose of A, denoted A with a superscript t, is the n by m matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A. For example, let's find the transpose of matrix A. Matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix. To find the transpose of matrix, we interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, the rows become columns and the columns become rows. Here in this example, the first row A sub 1 1, A sub 1 2, A sub 1 3 becomes the first column of the transpose matrix. Similarly, the second row A sub 2 1, A sub 2 2 and A sub 3 3 becomes the second column of the transpose matrix. That's our answer. Let's do another example. Here we have matrix A, which is a 2 by 3 matrix. The transpose of matrix A is denoted A with a superscript t. Let's write down the answer. The elements in the first row of matrix A becomes the elements in the first column of the transpose matrix AT. Similarly, the elements in the second row of matrix A becomes the elements in the second column of the transpose matrix. And that's the answer. Now let's understand the definition of upper triangular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be an upper triangular matrix if A sub ij equals to 0 for I greater than j. For example, here we have a 3 by 3 square matrix A. Let's figure out if matrix A is an upper triangular matrix or not. Here on the right we have a general form of 3 by 3 square matrix A. To be able to call this matrix A an upper triangular matrix, the entries A sub 2 1, A sub 3 1 and A sub 3 2 have to be equal to 0. Here on the left we can see that in matrix A these entries are 0. Therefore, matrix A is an upper triangular matrix. Now let's understand the definition of lower triangular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be lower triangular matrix if A sub ij equals to 0 for I less than j. For example, here we have a 3 by 3 square matrix A. Here on the right we have a general form of a 3 by 3 square matrix A. Matrix A can be called a lower triangular matrix if the entries A sub 1 2, A sub 1 3 and A sub 2 3 are equal to 0. Here in the left example we can see that these entries are equal to 0. Therefore, matrix A is a lower triangular matrix. Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will continue the lecture 1 in the next session. Thank you.